How are you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lucky Slay here. So on today's video, guys, I want to show you how to store your tomatoes in a fridge so that they can last you longer time and without going bad. So I know this is a problem to many of you guys, but I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Okay, so let's get into the video. So good. So on my counter I have these tomatoes. Yeah, the net tiered ililaruka, and then I'll be storing them here in my dish. It's a plastic dish. Okay, I'll be storing them here in this dish. Okay, and I don't know whether they will fit there because I normally put them there and then some of them get to remain, and then so I'll be putting them here. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video as we get started. So our first step is to make sure this dish has no water on. Okay, we're gonna wipe all this water. You don't want to put your tomatoes in a container that has water because they're gonna start going bad. So in this video, we are trying as much as possible to minimize. So you don't want to put water. So in this video, we want to as much as possible to minimize the water in the container storage so that our tomatoes can go even for 2 months. Okay, so but you don't need to keep them for that long. It depends with when do you do your shopping. Okay, so let's do this. I feel like these tomatoes will take me for like 1.5 months. Yeah, so let's get started. So now I'm gonna use this kitchen towel and make sure my container has no water. Okay. The lid and the container has no water. So that is my first step. Lid and container has no water. Okay. So that's what we're doing. So our next step guys will be as we wipe, we store them here. We're gonna store them here as we wipe, or maybe I should start by wiping them so that the work can be easy. And I'm shooting, so it's gonna be a bit hectic and they're falling down. So let me put them here. I wipe, I put them here, and then as I sort out the bad ones, so guys, I've decided I wipe them first, I put them here as I sort out the bad ones. You can see this one. You see how it's looking? This one we're not gonna store it. And also this one. Oh my god. So I'm gonna separate the bad ones. So I'm just wiping them. You cannot wash your tomatoes when you're putting them in the fridge, because when you wash them, they're gonna go bad. Don't wash them. Just wipe the dust. And when you're cooking, you're gonna wash them. We know we don't want germs and all that, but for tomatoes, kindly just wipe the dust. Since you're gonna put them in the dish, no problem. Because when you remove them from the fridge, you're gonna be washing them as you cook. For now, let's wipe them. You're just wiping the dust, or you can just use. Me, I don't like using water. I know why I don't, because they're gonna go bad. I don't know why tomatoes are like that, but you don't want to risk all these tomatoes and you're risking. No, so we don't want that. So this one, no. So we want to wipe. We just wipe dust, and then we're gonna start packaging, storing them, not packaging. And also this one. So if you want them, hey, look at this one. How did I put this? But I feel like that one is the one that they normally add to you when we are done. So we throw that away. So these ones, I'm gonna put them where I can cook them easily. I'll be cooking them today and tomorrow. Today and tomorrow, so that they not gonna go bad. And here is our dish, guys. This is the dish. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. I'm just gonna arrange them here. So the first step, have your kitchen towel down here, and the towel I've teared it badly. So we're gonna have our kitchen towel down there. The reason we're doing this is to make sure when the tomatoes wet, there is something to absorb the moisture, and then we're gonna come arranging them. Now this one is, when arranging this one is optional. It depends with how you want them to look. So I normally like doing this. Okay. This is how I do it. I love being organized. If you come to my kitchen, you will not, I don't know how you will see it, but I normally don't like just putting them like that. I just love organize them in a well organized. Want them all organized. So when you come to my kitchen and then you package for me, you store for me, definitely I'm gonna come back and do it how I love it. Yeah. Kila mtu ako na venye anapenda tu mambo twake tukifanywa. So like that. It's not like it's difficult. So this one, it's gonna face down. It's not difficult. It's just being organized. They're just being organized. They are not even many because the last time I bought so many and then we had electricity problems. Me, I don't want to risk that problem again. So we didn't have power. We suffered, guys. We suffered. And there we go. They're not like too many, but that's how I do it. And then, even before I put the lid, this is the secret now, the kitchen towel. Before I put on the lid, I come again with my kitchen towel. Again, on top. Like that. Okay. And then, so let me just show you how they're looking. So this is how they are looking. It's just a normal organization, not normal. Because if you don't know how to put the kitchen towel, so if you don't have kitchen towels, you can just put some salt, so that when you put salt here, they're gonna be safe also. But I don't want to waste my salt. I just want to use the kitchen towel and then restore it. Restore that. And someone is calling me. So this is how they are looking. So guys, this is how we have the tomatoes. You can see the kitchen towel down here and the top. So when you try this method, guys, this one is gonna be fine for you. So the next step is to put them in the fridge. Yeah. And so guys, so just make sure you try this method and tell me in the comment section whether it give you the best result. So guys, I hope to see you during my next video. Bye for now. See you on my next one. Bye bye.